Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you one of the error I am facing and how I fixed that issue. So you can see here I have my script in the .ssl certificate.yaml. So I executed the command. So I am getting one error. I will show you the error. So you can see here I have the error. So this is my error message. So this is due to Python. So having the fork and it's having the child process like it is mentioned. We cannot safely call it or ignore it the fork child process crashing. Instead set breakpoint on obj initiate after fork error to debug. So to fix this error, I have the solution. This is the solution. You have to export this command. So I will give you the command in the description. So once you export, you also include your access key and secret key. For security purpose, I am going to stop this video and add my access key and secret key. Now I added my access key and secret key as well. I am going to execute the script again. This time it will not throw the error. And you can see here now it's fetching the data from AWS as well. So like this, so you can see here my all the script got executed and it is got okay with 14 and changes on only one and it skipped one. So after executing the export command, I can able to execute the script. So you can try this command if you are facing the same error. This is the tutorial will useful for you on the video format which you are facing the error on the same. So if you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.